Hello guys, so it's me again, Fatima Adnan, living in Pakistan. Today some cold because here is raining so much. Yeah, it's raining so much. Guys, that's why some cold. So I'm not feel hot today, but only for today. I don't know tomorrow have sun or um, have so much hot. I don't know, but it's okay. So we can, yes. So now, guys. So I don't know what the next. So I'm here in my room for taking rest, and my coworker is downstairs because my madam and my boss is going to hospital for check her daughter. So because she watching the other kids, because alone in home, alone in the room. So she stay in the downstairs. So I come in my room. So yes, guys, I'm happy because no hot, feel fresh. You not feel hot because raining so much outside. Yeah, it's good. If no rain, so much hot, guys. You're so much water come in your body. If no rain, because so much hot. I have planned for wash my clothes, but rain comes, so I'm not wash. Maybe tomorrow or next maybe next tomorrow. And I'm also wash my bed sheets because I feel itching. I feel allergic if some many so much dust, because from my holiday until now I'm not wash, so maybe have so much dust. That's why I feel allergic. I don't know, my coworker finished making biryani. I don't know. She just saying you go for rest, and if I need your help, so I call you. But she not call me, maybe finish, maybe, and maybe madam come back or not, because if madam comes, so she making tea, and yeah, and then give food to the kids like that. I'm you know what, my feeling for now is some happy, some sad. I don't know what the next. I don't know what the we don't know about tomorrow, what we will do like that. That's why I feel some sad, because I have own home, no matter I rent, but I feel sad because, oh my God, Lord, please help me. How I, if in the future some problem come, I don't know, I feel sad. I'm so sad. sad, half happy because I feel I have home. That is my dream. I have home. I have clean and neat home. I'm happy like that. That is my dream. And I hope inshallah I can make my home in the Philippines. In my I don't no matter where I make home, I buy the land or what. I hope I can buy my own land. But it's for now it's difficult because it's so expensive. Yes, and I want, yeah, but in my father place I have start to build home but not finished yet. So because material is not complete, so if my material is I can buy, and if I have some money to buy materials for my home, so I build it, and I start to build, and I finish my home in my father place. So I want my home to storage, and yeah, I like that. And because I want my father stay in my home, care my home, because I don't know where I go the next. I have work in other place or like that. I don't want my father in other. Yeah, I have siblings. Uh, I have two brothers and two sisters, but my sister is so far from my father place, and my little sister is so little. She is studying now, and I pay her expensive, her school fees like that, and with my daughter. So and my two brothers is have own family now, and I'm so happy because my second brother is have happy family. And my first brother have new family now. I hope I'm happy for you. You find a wife, a good wife. I'm happy for you. Yeah. So yes, I'm happy for that. That that is my. I don't care if the girl is old like that. I don't care. The matter is you both can understand to each other, share the problem like that. You can fix all problem. You fix all problem. Both you fix all the problem, because problem will not go out in your life. Just make you uh, how you how you solve the problem. Like you know what, like a subject like a math. You need a solution. Yeah, you need a solution how to solve this problem like that, like a subject. Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy for my first brother. Now she have wife now. I hope. Yes, I hope inshallah I can make my home in my father place, and I can finish my home there. So I'm more become happy. I'm not need sleep other home. No matter my sister, my brother, no matter. I want my own. I want my things in my own home. Yes, guys. That is my dream. I have my own home. I hope inshallah. Yes. So now guys, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.